Welcome to another episode of One Trip at a Time. After ng disappointing stay sa Oriental Leyte, tumawid kami ng dagat papuntang Samar para lumipat sa isang resort sa Marabut, ang LaYao Beach Resort. We will take you on a tour of the property and answer the question whether this is the resort you wanna be at. Pagpasok sa resort, unang bubungad ang Chinese dragon statue, which the owner believes symbolizes strength and prosperity. Then, mapapansin ang kakaibang hugis na pool sa gitna ng resort. But before we look into what makes this pool the talk of the town, approach muna natin ang front desk at mag-check-in. This is the reception. It has a small counter to facilitate arrivals and departures. At may mga couches around it kung saan pwedeng maghintay kung may pila. The resort standard check-in time is 2 p.m. and the standard checkout time is 12 noon. So ito ang hotel wing ng resort at ang room namin ay nasa ground level. Tara, pasok tayo. We booked a superior deluxe room. It comes with one queen bed and one single bed. Room amenities include a desk and a multi-layer shelf that serves as the clothes rack, luggage organizer, and coffee kit storage. Kahit hindi fancy ang room, homely naman dahil sa neutral tones at simple lang ang design. Here's the bathroom. It's adequately appointed with a toilet, bidet, vanity area, and hot and cold shower. Complemented naman ito ng toiletries and maraming towels. Ang kulang lang sa banyo ay good ventilation para mas komportable at malinis. Lahat ng rooms dito sa LaYao nag-share ng common balcony with a view of the pool and the sea. The superior deluxe room is priced at 5,500 pesos per night for up to 3 guests. The rate includes room accommodation, plated Filipino breakfast, and pool access. Para makapag-reserve, kailangan mag-message dahil wala silang website at di sila listed sa hotel aggregators. Serving as LaYao's focal point is the swimming pool, which sits at the center of the resort grounds. Sa paligid nito ay mga beach huts na available para sa overnight at day tour guests. Ang day tour pool rates ay 250 pesos for adults at 200 pesos for children below 10 years old. Samantala, ang dine-in consumable rates naman ay 200 pesos per person. Kung plano niyong kumuha ng beach hut para sa day tour, ito ay 1,200 pesos for 6 persons at 1,800 pesos for 8 persons. Tip: be on the lookout for day tour and overnight offers as the resort regularly releases promos via their social media page. Aside sa pool view, the beach huts have sweeping views of the calm San Pablo Bay and Leyte Gulf. Of course, yung mga limestone at rocky outcrops kung saan kilala ang Marabut ay makikita rin sa resort. Visiting this area actually feels like you're seeing the exotic landscapes of Palawan pero sa mas murang halaga. Trivia time! The name LaYao is actually a combination ng first name initials at ng last name ng may-ari. Coincidentally, it sounds the same as LaYao, which is a Waray word that means to wander. Samantala, ang Marabut kung saan matatagpuan ang LaYao ay ipinangalan sa politikong si Serafin Marabut. Malaki ang potential ng Marabut for tourism dahil 45 minutes lang ito galing sa Tacloban at sa airport. Marami na rin ang resort dito pero ang LaYao ang isa sa mga bago at mas mahal na option. By the way, if it is your first time in the channel, please do like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell icon. Doing so will allow you to get notified of new videos and will help us to continue creating similar contents for everyone. In terms of activities, nag-o-offer ang resort ng free kayak and paddle for 30 minutes sa mga overnight guests. Sa tabi nitong hut, merong outdoor fire pit para sa gustong mag-bonfire na may kasamang coolers at summer music. Sa gitna ng beach huts, makikita ang bar ng resort. This is a good place to hang out with friends, enjoy some drinks, and groove onto some live band music. The resort does not have a gym, but you sure will not miss getting physical here at LaYao. Meron silang obstacle course na perfect para sa thrill seekers, adventurers, at para na rin sa company events at team buildings. The equipment include a slip wall, balance beams, tire field, cargo net, at belly crawl. These will surely put your strength, agility, and determination to the test. Pwede pang yayain ng pamilya at mga kaibigan to tackle the course together and have some wholesome fun. Meron din silang ship-shaped viewing deck kung saan makikita ang panoramic views ng resort at ng dagat. Tara, tingnan natin. Sa second level, may provision para sa isang bar pero di ginagamit sa kasalukuyan. May access din dito papunta sa Bert's Lounge o ang VIP lounge ng resort at pwedeng maging venue ng meetings and intimate events. At the third level, you will have bird's eye look at the resort's pool. Sabi ng owners, patterned sa dog bone ang pool. However, guests and netizens see another shape entirely. And this is what made the pool the talk of the town. So kayo, ano sa tingin nyo? Mas mukha bang ibang bagay kesa sa buto? Let me hear your thoughts in the comments. Sa tabi ng pool makikita ang restaurant ng resort, ang Lynn's Kitchen. Meron itong indoor at alfresco dining areas. Pwede ding umorder dito at ipaserve sa isa sa mga beach huts. The restaurant offers regular a la carte service and buffet services kapag may special occasions. The menu is primarily Filipino at substantial naman ang selection. Masarap naman ang a la carte items, pero yung plated breakfast ay konti ang serving at ordinaryo lang ang lasa. Mabagal din ang table service. Merong souvenir shop ang resort na matatagpuan sa tabi ng reception. They sell all sorts of beach essentials such as swimsuits, rash guards, shorts, life vests, hats, and slippers. Of course, may mga souvenir items tulad ng baskets, accessories, paintings, other local crafts, at kahit perfumes at alcoholic beverages. So, how did LaYao do? We're actually giving it a score of 7.43. Customer service needs to improve. Sobrang bagal ng table service, pati na rin ang checkout process considering everything were settled the night before. Breakfast must also be improved kasi ordinary lang at hindi hotel quality. Nonetheless, it's good to have this kind of a resort in a fifth-class municipality. Let's hope the resort improves to help the town entice more tourists. So thank you so much for watching and see you in our next video.